Hello everyone, welcome to No Fear Cooking. Today we are going to have the most wonderful salad, avocado and corn and lime and very hot peppers. I have things ready. It's either in the morning when you have time, have everything on the counter, and you're going to be amazed that in 5 minutes the salad is ready. Have the bacon night before. That's my number one key that I have to tell you, and let young ones to help you. Let's go through the steps. And Joey, thank you again for the recipe. You're very kind, and you said this is one of your favorite recipes. So I have one more corn to do, and then this salad is like a throwaway together, quick avocado. We're going to call it viral because I would like everybody in the world to go for this salad since it's such an easy and fun recipe to do. So the corn is in. That's the main ingredient with the avocado. Well, every detail of this salad is going to be perfect. So let's throw in everything. That was the last one I want to do. And I'm going to put in, what should we put next? Well, I do like bacon. So it's up to you how much bacon. I did last night my bacon because I wanted to have it cold. So the bacon is in with the corn. Right, then I'm going to put the cilantro. Cilantro is going to give this very good taste to your salad. And I'm going to just kind of a little bit lightly mix a little bit. It's okay with my hands because they're clean in the kitchen. You know, you can work with your hands. And this nice hot pepper. Please take the seeds out. It's very hot. Today when I cut it, it was all making me to cry when I got close to my nose. And I'm giving another little mix. Let's go, see next. So bacon I did it last night. The corn you can do night before I cooked it or use frozen. It's up to you. I'm going to do now the avocado. So the avocado, just kind of scoop it out from the skin. I'm going to cut it and just a couple slices here and goes in. Avocado is in. Or this is the last minute you have to do the avocado because it's getting brown if not. And also the salad, you can eat it that day or you can keep the leftover in a container, nice cut, nice tight, and you'll have it next day. And it's perfectly today, tomorrow, and day after tomorrow. So about 2 days you can keep it in the refrigerator, literally. It's nice and creamy, the salad. So we have the corn ready, we have the avocado ready. Oh, the green onions. We cannot forget green onions in this very good salad. So everyone, give us a like, send it to your friends, and I'm going to start to mix everything. Oh, a teaspoon of hot pepper. This is really, really important. It's giving a little bit more kick to your salad. Let's mix it a little bit. And not much going on. I have a lime juice from a large lime. Please use it all because it's giving a good taste. And I'm going to grate a little bit of the zest. It's giving perfect taste to your summer salad. Again, throw everything in the bowl. It's no fear. And if you have young ones, please let him help you. You know that I always think it's a free present for life when you give the children a little bit chores to do. So let's let them help you. I have the juice in it from the lime. And the one more thing we have to do, a half a cup of, what is it, Greek yogurt, or you can use any other yogurt if you like to, or whatever fancy you, it's perfect. And Joey, again, thank you for the recipe. You're very good to share this with us. And subscribe, give us a like, and we appreciate you taking time, all our fans for No Fear Cooking, to watch all our recipes. And again, how easy this recipe. You might have everything in the house for this recipe, And in the summer, in the evening, to just have this as a supper. You might have a slice of bread with it or just plain and enjoy it. So with this, I'm going to taste it. Do I have a bowl? Yes. I know it's good. We tried it from Joey a couple of weeks ago, and I'm going to mix a little bit in. Let's see. The bacon again, do the night before. Half an hour would be perfect because all the ingredients are going to marry together. Babette, I'm sorry, I'm still eating. Till next time, Pofte Buna. We'll see you in a week with a new recipe. Write us, give us a note and a like. Bye-bye.